What is going on, guys? You found this video because you're searching for how to get free Robux in Roblox, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. These Roblox promo codes are going to supply you with 10,000 free Robux, and that is about $100 worth because Robux is pretty expensive. But now, before I show you this method, make sure you enter this Roblox giveaway that I'm doing, guys. You can win free gift cards by simply liking and subscribing. So guys, like this video, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment down below with your Roblox username, and I'm giving hundreds of gift cards to people. But anyway, you're here to find out how to get free Robux using these secret Roblox promo codes, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you right now. So what you need to do, guys, is use your mobile phone internet browser to obtain your Roblox promo code. And once you have your code, guys, you can redeem it in the Roblox website. So you enter it into this page here. Once it loads up, let's go on here. And so you grab your code, redeem it in here, and it is going to give you 10,000 Robux. So you need to use your internet browser. Go to www.crashcoupons.com. So type it correctly, guys. Crash Coupons, and this is a awesome game code website. I've actually used these a ton for different Roblox promo codes. They have loads of game codes and stuff, but they do have a Robux code on here. So what I'm going to do is use the search bar. So I recommend you follow along and type in Roblox promo codes. It is very important you type promo codes, because if you just type Roblox, you're going to get all of the different Roblox codes, different games. So go ahead and type Roblox promo codes. This is the available codes. There are 4 verified working codes as of today's date, and this is working in 2026. So go ahead and scroll down, guys, and this is the code here. You can get 10,000 free Robux using these secret promo codes. So what you need to do now is click on Get Code, and it's going to bring up this page. You can see these are limited codes, but there are 700 plus codes remaining, and they do replenish quite often. These are very highly rated and people are using it as we speak. So click on Show Full Code, because you need to get your Roblox promo code. What this is going to do, guys, this is going to search for the database for a valid code for you to use, and it's found one. Now, this is completely normal, guys. Basically, you need to unlock your Roblox promo code. Obviously, free Robux is pretty desirable, and these are limited codes, so it does prevent people taking more than one of these codes. I've already done this, and it takes about 5 minutes. So click on this button, and you're going to be greeted by a new page here that tells you how to unlock your Roblox promo code. So essentially, guys, you need to follow the instructions on this screen. You need to complete 2 of the offers below. These basically sponsor Crash Coupons. That's how they can give us these free Robux codes, but it is completely free for us. We need to complete 2 of the tasks on this page, and these are really easy things like mobile applications where you just basically follow the instructions and complete what it says. So this one, as an example, is an easy one. Download, install this app, and create an account. So you tap on it, it will take you to the App Store where you just download that app, and you need to create an account on it. You may see like mobile games and stuff as well, where you just need to play them until certain levels. There's even like free surveys as well. So just fully complete 2 of them. I'm going to skip forward. I've already done it. I don't want to waste the code. But yeah, once you complete 2 of those, it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Roblox promo code for your free Robux will be revealed. Then you simply go ahead, redeem it in the Roblox website. You've got to make sure you're logged in, guys, to redeem your code on this page, but you enter it in there, and that is going to get you free Robux, 10,000 of them. So that is really simple, guys. Go to Crash Coupons, and then I must stress you have to search for Roblox promo codes to find the page, unless you want to scroll through hundreds of different pages. But yeah, and that, guys, is going to get you 10,000 free Robux. So I am doing that gift card giveaway as well, so make sure you leave your Roblox username in the comment section below, hit that like button and subscribe, and I'm giving gift cards away as well. But yeah, that's how to get free Robux using promo codes. See you in the next one.